CoinMarketCap.com is among the most popular and most trusted source of data for cryptocurrencies, used by millions of individuals, traders and as also high-level investors. Founded in 2013 by Brandon Shea, the website fastly established as one of the main tools to navigate into the crypto universe. Their mission is to be the world's authority for crypto data. Let's see how to properly navigate through the website and take full advantage by the plethora of data provided. We will analyze the website by beginning from the main content, then we'll move to the header and finally to footer. Firstly, on the website main content. The website brilliantly organizes cryptocurrencies by biggest to lower market capitalization. As a result, users can easily visualize the dominant and most popular cryptocurrencies. In addition to market cap, provides crucial info such as price, 24-hour change in price, 24-hour volume, circulating supply and a visual representation of 7 days price graph. To learn more about the economics of specific cryptocurrency, then you can click on the name section and a new window will open. This page works like a directory, and you can navigate to the world of the specific crypto you choose. On top, you can find the current price, then below is the cryptocurrency economics, which is essential info for every crypto to know first. Circulating supply is how many cryptocurrencies are currently available for circulation in the market. Volume is the amount that has traded in the last 24 hours. Max supply is the maximum amount of coins that will ever exist in the whole lifetime of the specific cryptocurrency. Market cap is the circulating supply multiplied by price. With the market cap you can understand the cryptocurrency size related to other cryptos. It is important to note that the crypto rank number based on market capitalization size. Now here is a small directory in which you can deep further into the details. Website link directs you in the official website. Explorer link, you can find more blockchain data such as transactions, difficulty and other statistics. Then is the forum, the source code in GitHub and finally the technical documentation such as white paper. Furthermore, in the bar below is located the Pandora box full of valuable visual data for every investor or crypto enthusiasts. The charts section provide the users with critical historical data in a visual way. You can choose to see data on the last day, last week, previous month etc. Market pairs section shows all pairs are available in different exchangers across the crypto space. At the social page, there are social media feeds. Then tools provided to developers such as widgets and historical data in table presentation. At rating segment, you can find high-quality data analysis and rating scores by industry's top crypto rating services providers. Interestingly, on chain analysis section delivers visual data for users that needs to measure general sentiment for this specific cryptocurrency. And finally, news provided by Cointelegraph. At the bottom is located the About page with general info and price window with more statistics. Secondly, at the website header. On the top bar, there are essential crypto industry data that helps you capture the big picture such as total crypto listed, total market capitalization, the total volume within 24 hours and Bitcoin dominance percentage over all other altcoins. Moreover, on the cryptocurrency section in navbar below, you can find all crypto categorizing by super categories. DeFi, derivatives, storage, coins only, tokens only as well as the top gainers and losers, global charts similar to the top bar above and recently added crypto. The next section in navbar helps you navigate through spot, derivatives and decentralized exchanges across the internet. In headlines, the website gives you many trusted sources of necessary events and updates to stay informed about the crypto industry evolution. CoinMarketCap products, where to buy is a simple guide for beginners to buy their first Bitcoin. Specifically through famous exchangers. Earn Crypto is online lessons for beginners to learn about cryptocurrencies while earning new coins. Mobile apps. Here users can find illustrations about the capabilities of CoinMarketCap mobile application. A Blockchain Explorer is an excellent source for detailed blockchain and market data. Interest focused on decentralized finance, where people can search, analyze and find the best place to earn interest on the DeFi ecosystem by deposit their crypto for a specific amount of time. As also find the way to borrow crypto. In the For Business side, business owners can find a way to advertise on this website as well as developers can use crypto API for companies. Lastly, CoinMarketCap.com indices can help analyze enormous data into few simple indexes. In the Tools section, there are useful tools like Currency Converter, your watchlist where you can track your selected crypto. Likewise, site widgets for your website if you are a developer. Another useful tool provider is historical data and the next Bitcoin halving countdown. Now the Learn section equip people with essential useful guides capable of introducing newcomers in crypto space. And the last segment, Yield Farming, is all in one place to navigate and choose the best annual percentage yield, then lock your crypto into liquidity pools and earn interest. Thirdly, in the website footer, you can find more company-related info and details.